I have included 2 different versions of YouTube intro templates. These templates will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install motion graphics templates. If you are using the 2018 version Premiere Pro, then select the 2018 version Magrat, otherwise select the 2019 Plus version. Place template on the timeline. These are 4K templates, so to use them in full HD sequence, scale the template by 50%. Here in the Edit tab, you can change the channel name and tagline. You can also change the font from here. Change text position here. Here you can change circle colors. That's it. Thanks for watching.